Sonko and Philbert Tuga. Fourth referee is Richard Carpio. And the tip going to the home team, Binyan. And Coach Mike, Jensen, their first possession. Chris Porter hands it off to Hesed Gabo. Lines up the three. It's good. Nice sign for Jensen as Gabo hitting his shots early.
And
What a Cinderella run in the playoffs for them. They were the 6th seed, lower seed against Rizal, swept them. And then that grueling 3-game series against Batangas City as Kyle Tolentino hitting a free, pangalawang tres na yan para sa Jensen as
maaring talagang napakalaki nung kanilang na-pick up dun sa series na yan against the Quezon Huskers. They were in a really tough path heading into the Division 5.
Magkalaban na sila. Speaking of Hesed, we also have Mark Cruz. For so long, his backcourt partner was Nico Elorde. But now that he's with Hesed, syempre andun daw yung process of building the connection. Medyo hilaw pa, but with their veteran wits, it's not that hard of a job. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Andrea. And syempre, no, basketball, sometimes it's a business, Coach Mike.
Yes.
Binanggit niya, gets it back from Chris Porter. Popping out was Antonio Sebio, who had a strong preseason. He knocks down a free.
Ito, they run into those staggers and this little shuffle play. That's got to be a shot there for Hesed. Yeah.
Gabo, pangalawang tres na yan for Hesed.
And they love running that play. Oh, yeah.
Playoffs, Jackson Corpus hindi nakasama. Pero yun nga, no, yung bagong lineup nila. As speaking of bagong lineup, kakapasok lang off the bench, Michael Mabulak, creating an impact.
Yung quick na impact na yan, napaka-importante para dito kay Mike Mabulak to establish himself to be one of the guys. To see another knockdown three by Kyle Tolentino. That's a long two. Pero again, in my opinion, very unpredictable. Little flex action here for Binyan.
Mabulak at the elbow, going right at Chris Porter. Count the basket, plus a foul.
Regardless your position, basketball is about a chase for space. And that time around, a little fake handoff by Mike Mabulak, saw that space and attacked it. And just a good finish, twice already.
Get a free reign to the lane. Mintis nga lang yung free throw, pero nandoon. Pinasok pa lang sa loob. Put back from Jmar Gimpayan.
Nick.
LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Naiwanang libre si Hesed Gabo, who now has 9 points, buoyed by those free triples.
It's just a 13-point lead. I'd like to think it was closer a little bit earlier before it got to that point. But to think that these young guys of Coach JB actually...
Roa Corva with 3 on the shot clock. Mabulak will hit a jumper from 20 feet.
Mike Mabulak.
Paundo, back the other way. Mark Cruz.
Boy, look at that space. Look at that space.
Melo Santos hits a 3.
They weren't packing the paint. They were, kita mo yun, yung quick release para kay Josh Fontanilla. That was deliberate.
Nice pass, JJ Pido. Setting up Ato Barba for 2, his first 2 points.
Somewhere in, if it's not Binyan, it's either San Pedro or Santa Rosa, around that area. There you go, again. You hear this crowd cheer for John Barba. And me, from this area, I'm not surprised. One of them here, that the ball gets stuck with one player.
Oh man, Tolentino. You could really see that he's picking his spots.
Now, he's wiser and he's smarter in how to play the game.
Lumusot ulit si JJ Pido, using his left hand to finish 25, 11-point lead for the Warriors. Roa Corva settles for a free, and he nails it, cutting the lead down to 8, 36-28. Makes his way to the paint.
Oh, wow.
Extra step, fails to finish. Bam Lopez in transition against Chris Porter. Bounce pass to Renzo Sobido, who fills the lane and scores.
Well, good trail job there by
Porter up top. Hanap ng papasahan. Hands it off to Jonicio. You see how Porter has been providing those bone-crushing picks,
Right.
freeing up his teammates, Coach Mike.
And he's
Back the other way, Binyan, a chance to counter. Lopez, shot fake, drives baseline, lumusot
Wow.
sa ilalim to go for the reverse.
wow, what a move! That really looked all ball. At least from our vantage point. See this move right here, difficult underneath. Ginawa ng paraan.
Play of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. 4 on the shot clock. Creating space, fading away, short. Jonicio the rebound. Oh, what a pass.
Oh, yeah.
In stride, Adi Santos from that gorgeous dime from Hesed Gabo.
Later, I'm pretty interested on the adjustments made by Coach Gerson Cabiltes. Obviously, a different system. See a 3 right here by Bam Lopez. The guy is smoking hot this quarter.
Oozing with confidence this year. 10 seconds left. Can Jensen extend the lead to close out the half? Gabo has been marvelous in the first half, and that continues. Tough shot, fading away, book it. And that,
You know, shot makes would actually normalize for them.
Caballero stepping into the lane and able to score 5.
Ng pwestuhan dito kay Adi Santos. And so clearly the battle inside the paint is out there. Beautiful pass. Good finish though.
Chris Porter able to finish around the basket. Nice assist.
And clearly remember that game winner by Hesed Gabo. Remember, boy, that got up off our seats.
Raimundo,
There you
naiwan ng
go.
libre sa tres, and he makes them pay.
Arguably one of the steadiest point guards.
Quality.
And one man even say, Ken, na 6 na turnovers ang na-force ng Binyan dito sa Jensen, but Binyan was never able to take advantage of it. See another good finish right there by Santos.
Nelos. Warriors with an 8-point lead. Bonifacio has yet to
Yeah.
buy a bucket until that drive. He was 0 out of 4 before that shot. Lastimosa. No. Pingris, the rebound. Kicks it out to Gimpayan. Taps it to Pamboy Raimundo.
You gotta move that ball.
7 seconds on their shot clock. Oh, Acorva, corner 3. Yes! Big shot to pull them to within 1.
Orba. And if he gets to develop that skill in that make, Kenny once again open floor.
Pagkaataw na lumabang. Mark Pingris lays it up and in! Binyan in the lead, 50-49. What a turnaround for Binyan. Under a minute left. Sidestep, Fontanilla escapes and scores.
But finally, we get a field goal basket.
Seconds left on their shot clock. Mark Cruz wants a screen from Adi Santos, splitting 2 defenders. Kick out pass, Fontanilla. Pull-up jumper is pure.
4 quick ones from Fontanilla here.
Free. Pingris sa poste na agawan. Gabo. Pulling up from 15 feet.
Yeah.
Lista mo na.
And you can see Hesed Gabo habang bumababa siya. He was telling, Kyle to go down bigger so that it's easier for either him as a handler to drive or for him to be the receiver on a kick-out 3.
Gabo with 13 points, 6 boards, and 7 assists.
Oh, man.
Malyari with a beautiful looking pull-up jumper. Jonicio at the elbow against J. Gimpayan. Hand off to Eusebio. Porter takes the 3
There you
and
go.
makes it. First triple for Chris Porter for total. There's 6 minutes remaining in the 4th quarter. Gabo, lob inside. Eusebio will pop it in. LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Hesed Gabo, Jensen. Caballero.
Good
Swing
swing.
pass, Bonifacio. Shot fake by Acorva. Soars and scores over Chris Porter. Fontanilla. Pasa kay Gabo.
Oh, man.
Strolling down the park. Laying it up and in. Relax na relax.
Oh.
Against Marwin Jonicio.
There's a mismatch underneath. Didn't go to it.
Caballero with 7 on the shot clock, off the dribble, beating Chris Porter to the spot, getting past him for 2 points.
Well, this game has slowed down to the favor of Binyan.
No look pass Porter, catch and shoot,
Yeah.
mid-range jumper, matik yan. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Tolentino with a big triple to push the lead up to 4, 68-64.
I'm gonna let the
Dabo rising up for 3. No. Battle for the rebound. Kapulak swallowing the ball and picking up a foul against Chris Porter, sending him to the line for 2 shots.
And that's the thing. You're not guaranteed a win. And I love that change in that situation.
Tolentino lost it. Chance for Binyan to inch closer. Lastimosa goes up strong for 2. 37 seconds left. Series clinching shot he had when he was with Pangasinan against his former team, Nueva Ecija.
Oh no, Chris Porter. Oh,
Big free
my.
to give them a 4-point lead, 71-67.
Oh.
Gets it, hand off to Roacorva, getting past Chris Porter. Great defense by Tolentino, no foul. 4 seconds left and Jensen will escape with a victory on the road. What a gritty win for the Warriors after Binyan made their comeback here.
On the defensive philosophies of Coach Elvis and the entire Jensen Warriors team.
Best player of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Playing for a new team, but parang seamless yung transition. Hesed
Yeah.
Gabo with 15 points, 6 rebounds, and 10 assists.
One might say yung seamless na yun is napakahalaga para guard in lieu of your primary point guard from previous seasons in Nick Velarde.
Final score, 67 for Binyan Tatak Gel, Beast Motorcycle, Mega Wagi, and 71 for now, the 1-0 Jensen Warriors.